Hello, welcome to Williams Crawford. It's another of our Walkabout Wednesdays. It feels like the beginning of spring, and today I'm sat in a really special car. It's not the most valuable car that we've got here, but it is special, and we love special Porsche. Today in this video, we're going to show you all around the building, a little bit about the service, a little bit about what we do, and you'll take a sneak preview into the restoration and the motorsport as well. This car, I know you want to know about it, is a 987 Boxster. Nothing particularly unusual with that. We have dealt with hundreds of these cars, but this, it's done 6,931 original real miles, and it is like new. It's not lots of money. It's, I think, unbelievably good value and uber rare. And we're just hoping that we find someone that will appreciate what it is, take it and love it and cherish it, because this is a collector car of the future. Some little way down the road, but definitely a collector car standard, and you could enjoy this for the next 10 years doing a little bit of mileage. 10 years later, it's done 15,000 miles, and if you look after it, it'll still be like new. How many will be like that? And when we take you through the showroom, you'll see other collector cars, with some of them with really low mileage, and they must have started out like this. I just find it very interesting, very unusual to handle something like that at the beginning of its journey. So come with me, let me show you around. Well, I can't help it. I just love seeing cars like that. It's like new. I mean, it's a beautiful piece of kit. It should go in someone's garage and make them really happy. Well, let's go back into the showroom and show you a few things here. Now, we get Porsche from all ages, you know, right from the 50s all the way through to the occasional new car. So we got 991s, 997s, occasional 992 turning up, but it's not just Porsche that we deal with here. We will look after a customer and supply them anything that they want, and if they want to sell something non-Porsche and need some help with it, then for sure, they give us a call, and just like the Ferrari there, we'll put that on sale, look after everything, look after the transaction for a customer, and get that sort of thing done. Just this week, one of Anthony's long-term customers, we supplied a near new Mercedes GL63S. Took a fair bit of finding, funnily enough, to get the exact spec and colour that the gentleman wanted, and we've got that dealt with. And then we've got cars that we're looking after for customers. We've just got a 110 Defender turned up, and we'll get that sold as well. So it's not just the Porsche, but we do have our passion for Porsche firmly on the top of our head. One of the key things with buying from us is that people want the support. They want the warranty, the financing, the part exchanging, the delivery to their door, just the security of dealing with a decent dealer, and not a sort of wash and go specialist. A lot of dealers do operate on a quick safety check, give the car a clean, make it look as shiny as this GT3, and send it out the door, and that is not the way that we do it. Now, to be fair, the GT3 is one of my favourites. This one's a car that hasn't been thrashed around too much. No sign of being thrashed around at all, actually. It's almost all original paint. It seems in beautiful condition, no over revs with it. Something that we check on these cars, no real sign of track use. It does have the half cage, which is a Porsche option, Just a beautiful car. And these are now really nice ones like this with low miles. These are in the sort of 60, 70,000 pound price bracket. Similar sort of bracket to the Turbo S that I showed you just a moment ago, the one with the centre locks and ceramics, and similar price bracket to that Smoke Silver 991 over there on the left. If you have that sort of budget to put into a really nice car, then we've got a fair selection of that stuff. It'd be difficult to choose. Well, let's have a closer look at this 991. It's a .2, it's a PDK, GT Silver, big 20-inch Carrera S alloys, and in black with the black electric sunroof. It just works really well against GT Silver. The car's only done 25,800 miles, I think. Black leather, sport chronos, switchable exhaust, park assist. It's got the Bose, it's got cruise, it's got heated seats, it's got multi-function heated wheel. Oh my goodness me, it's got everything going on in that. And that is in that sort of 60, 70,000 pound price bracket, and super, super nice. For me, GT3. For Richard, definitely that Turbo S. For Anthony, I know he loves this Smoke Silver car. Can't satisfy all the people all the time. It is really nice. So this type of thing we're selling with our warranty. It's all taken care of for you, and we will have done a really, really good job. Here's the MGC, just been picked up in the south of France. That's coming in on sale. It's a right-hand drive along with a Macan and a Bentley Arnage. Really looking forward to that. And this is the Mercedes that we've just supplied a customer. It was £95,000 new, 2,000 miles. We sold it to him for slightly less than 75,000. He is delighted. Now, all the cars do go through the workshop and get checked, and I've surprised the lads in here a little bit. 996 turbo getting ready to go out. Wheels have been off, brake pipes, all sorts of things checked on that. Even the Macan, which is quite a late car, still same process, wheels off, thorough inspection. We know what we're doing. Do quite a lot of Macan and Cayenne. So now let's make a move and head towards restoration. Well, here we are at the restoration. Come with me. So we've got two 356s here, one which is sandblasted, ready to go into metal fab. The other one is ready to go back to Texas, and this impact bumper car is going to be a beautiful little hot rod. Over here in midway is a 3-litre SC. It's a convertible. It's come from France. New paint, new trim, refresher mechanicals, and look forward to seeing this one going out again looking like new. It's going to look great in the south of France. The red, the blue, the yellow, the green, they're nearly ready to go out and start the season. Can't wait for spring, along with the grey one here. So there you have it. I'm Adrian Crawford. Thanks for watching Walkabout Wednesday for February. We can't wait for the sun to shine and get out with some of these beautiful cars, and I hope we can help you. Thank you.